Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well, enjoying your studies, and doing your work also. Okay, so we were seeing sources of recruitment. In that, we will see external sources and internal sources, right? So, what we had seen was first was internal sources from within the organization. So, what was your within the organization? Promotion, transfer, then friends and relatives calling, then calling retrench employees, then promotion and transfer. Remember, that was your and waiting list. I hope I remember all of them. So, this was your internal source of recruitment. Yes. Promotion, transfer, friends and relatives of employees, recalling entrenched employees, promotion and transfer, and waiting list. So I was right. If you can see, without recognizing or without remembering or without reading, I can remember the things. So you can also remember the things. You have to just revise. External sources of recruitment. So second topic, the part 2 of that, sources of recruitment. See, if the questions come, what are the sources of recruitment? The sources of recruitment are internal sources, external sources. Internal sources list you have to prepare, external sources list you have to prepare and explain them because it's a 5 mark question. But in short. ऐसा नहीं है 5 मार्क का क्वेश्चन है मैं तो दोनों में 5-5 पॉइंट एक्सप्लेन कर दूं, नहीं कुछ नहीं बोला है, 3, 4, 5 का आपको सारे एक्सप्लेन करने हैं. इंटरनल सोर्सेज 6 है, एक्सटर्नल सोर्सेज 7 है. So you need to go with all the 7, right? And then explain them. Depends on your smartness how you explain. If both are asked and if single, suppose it is asked, what are the sources of recruitment? Explain internal sources. So the sources of recruitment, meaning of recruitment. I had video underlining it for meaning and introduction of recruitment. Answer will go like this: meaning and introduction of recruitment. So the definition of recruitment will be given. That is only meaning, that is only introduction. Khatam ka. The sources of recruitment are, it is divided into 2 parts. You can prepare arrow and a box. Internal sources, external sources. Because sources of recruitment are asked, so you will list internal sources also and external sources. Completed, then you will write external sources are explained in detail as under. Sorry, we had asked internal sources. So internal sources are explained as under. Right? Because the question is, listen to my question. What are the sources of recruitment? Explain internal sources of recruitment. You need to give answer for both internal and external, but in detail only internal are asked. So you have to be clear what is asked in question. Only internal asked, so you will write all the 6. What are that? Promotion. Promotion हो गया तो हम ट्रांसफर ले सकते हैं. ट्रांसफर और प्रमोशन के भी एम्प्लॉयज हमको नहीं मिल रहे तो हम लेंगे फ्रेंड्स एंड रिलेटिव्स के एम्प्लॉयज. फ्रेंड्स एंड रिलेटिव्स के एम्प्लॉयज से भी हमको कुछ फायदा नहीं हो रहा, so we can go with the calling retrenched employees, those who have experience, those who have worked with us, and that is not done. So again, a new topic is that promotion with transfer. So that is done, and the last one is that had not been absorbed by us. That is your waiting list, right? So that is your internal source of recruitment. Now, what are the external source of recruitment? What are the external? The word external itself gives you an idea of outside the organization. So we are getting our human resources outside our organization. Is it clear? Right? So external source of recruitment, first is advertisement. So first is advertisement. It is an effective alternative for recruitment. Alternative. And it's the most effective. Applications are invited through advertisement in newspaper. So where they are given advertisement, you have to write. See, I'm making underline advertisements in newspaper, business journals and periodicals for specific posts. Take example, government job. In Gujarat government, Ojas is a site. In that online job application, something is a full form. Ojas is a site where you can find vacancies related to the government. Is it clear? So, right. So, in newspaper, we can see every newspaper, mostly on Gujarati newspaper, local newspaper, you will find advertisement on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And English newspaper, if I remember, they give advertisement on Wednesday and Saturday, if I remember that. And mostly, any of them giving Sunday also. I don't have any knowledge about the advertisements of English newspaper that much, but then also. And business journals. Business journals are like India Today, then Business Today, and all the journals are that. In that also, vacancies are given and periodicals for specific posts. Apart from this, candidate can also apply online after seeing the advertisement on internet. See, Naukri.com, right? Or in newspaper also, like I have habit of reading newspaper online. So if I want to see vacancy, so I will go through online and I can apply online only, right? So can apply online after seeing the advertisement on internet, TV or website. Yeah, TV or website, both are there. A large number of applications can be received from distant corners of the country. Yes, this is the main source of, this is the main thing of benefit of advertisement. You will not you will not only, you are not going to get only local staff for your organization through newspapers. Suppose you are covering advertisement in all the national newspapers or English newspapers that are published all over the India, and you apply in them, so you can get your employees from all the regions. Is it clear? Right? So, distant country corners of the world is clear to you, right? So here you have to underline applications can be received from distant corners of the country. Right candidate can be selected by this method, right? Many of them are giving application, but as per their qualification criteria, you will select the right candidate whom you want to call, and after calling also how you are going to decide that we are going to see in next topic. So advertisement is clear. Advertisement is given newspaper, business journals, and periodicals for specific post. Post is also mentioned. Through employment exchange. What is employment exchange? Public and private employment exchange prepare a list of prospective candidates who are unemployed in search of job. Underline that line. Public and private employment exchanges prepare a list of prospective candidates, those who are capable of doing work and are unemployed and in search of jobs. Keeping in mind the details like name, address, underline that line also. What is kept in mind? Name, address, qualification, experience, skills, etc. The Employment Exchange provides list of such qualified but unemployed candidates as and when asked for by the business enterprise. Right? They then may select suitable candidate from this list. See, best example you can see on net. If you have heard about UP government, and I had given you previously an example, many of the migrant workers had from UP, means all over India are there, but specifically UP government has done that task that we know very well, because that is appreciated by the government, not sorry, that is appreciated by the laborers itself. We are getting job. We were in fear what we are going to do in our hometown. So they said as per our qualification. So what they had done, I had said you earlier, all of them got registered when they were living the particular cities or particular states. Okay, this much people are coming to UP back, and their entire data was collected. Like workers working in textile industries, their data was collected. workers working in construction industry, their data was collected. So what is that? Sorted data is kept by the government and employment agencies also. And one more topic I'm going to share with you. If you have heard about Sonu Sood, he is an actor and he is recently doing a very good work. And even he visited, if you had seen the show that comes here, Kapil Sharma show, first episode after lockdown, and he has clearly mentioned, you can see, we had started giving employment generation also. Like people were worried when we used to ask, this was the statement, भैया तुम वापस आओगे या नहीं, right? So that statement was asked by him to the laborers, and they used to say कि आएंगे नहीं आएंगे, because they were not having surety of the job. Contractors बुलाएंगे तो आएंगे, whatever the statement was given, right? So what he had done, he had also tied up with certain agencies. If you will see, when anyone has problem, instead of going to government, they go to him and ask him on Twitter, कि I'm in need of this job, मुझे ये करना है वो करना है. Because so what is the reason? How they are generating employment? This is the topic, that through employment exchange, the data is collected. So again, I'm repeating it. And see, employment exchange prepare a list of prospective candidates. So the workers, migrant workers or employees, as per their capabilities, they are divided and the list is prepared. As I had said, you textile industry. This was the words word of UPCM. Textile industries can be run in Gujarat and Rajasthan, and why cannot be run? And our laborers are working over here, so why we cannot start with it? And I'm sure within these 3-4 years, we'll find a textile industry well settled in UP also. The reason is focus of the people has changed. Instead of working for others, they want to work for themselves, right? And they want to generate every opportunity for ourselves also. Okay, limit is not. Okay, take example, if you want to textile industry in Ahmedabad, in Surat, and in Bombay, selected areas, it was at the one time was that people used to do particular things only that. Take example, technological development. Samsung had started manufacturing mobiles in India, but before that they had not started manufacturing mobiles in India. So everything is changing, and the reason is the positive attitude, right? So this is the same thing. Candidates, prospective candidates, those who are unemployment and in search of job, they keep the list, and then their requirement is in the companies, they provide them as per the requirement. Suppose the list of textile workers is there, so they will provide, the employer wants a textile worker that has an idea of textile, they will collect that data and call them, right? If they want construction labor, so they will call them. So that is with the help of employment exchange that can be done. So what they keep in detail, their name, their address, their qualification, their skills, and their experience. Recently, we had seen day before yesterday, so that was on I think 7th of August. Yes, 7th of August was our handicraft day. If you had seen, local vocal for local movement has taken, and all of them, not only the celebrities or politicians, but many common people has uploaded their pics with their art and craft, handmade art and craft, or the handmade things they had purchased. What is that? That is increasing. We want to increase our skills. I have said you many times, having knowledge and having skills both are different, right? Knowledge only will give you just knowledge कि ऐसे होता है. Skill means ये हमने किया है और ये होता है. Remember, I had given you example. So experience and skill are the two things that can give you a good job through employment exchange. The employment exchange provides a list of such qualified but unemployment. See, the word you have to be careful. Qualified but unemployed candidates, because if they had started doing work, they will be removed from that list. Is it clear? So unemployed candidates as and when asked for by whom? Business enterprise. They then may select suitable candidates from the list. So as per their requirement, they will be select for that list. Is it clear? So through advertisement, if advertisement is not only the reason, so we can go for through employment exchange. Third is through educational institution. Many enterprises make recruitment by this method in modern times. Yes or no? Suppose you are doing in future in colleges, you are doing BBA, you are doing MBA, or you are doing BCA, so recruitments of your will be given. They are attracting, universities are attracting to the students by giving 100% replacement in good companies, and they are giving the names of the companies also. That is only through educational institution. Technological institutes, contact, colleges, and universities conduct campus recruitment and provide specialized knowledge, able personnel. Wait. Provide specialized and knowledgeable personnel to business organization. You can see the best example of recruitment is Google, Microsoft. All of them are just picking our Indian intelligence, that is from IIM, IIT Khadak, sorry, IIM and IIT, IIT Kharagpur main, right, IIT Ahmedabad. So they are paid at high packages and they are taken by them, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, all of them. What is the reason? So that is campus educational institutes only. In the same way, our local also. You can see your the movie Three Idiots was there, and in that they were having campus interview. That is same as educational institutes. So they get good qualified, not experienced we can say, but qualified through qualification. I'm saying we cannot say they are freshers only, but a knowledgeable staff for themselves that can be a future of their organization as on the uh, greater post, right? So the required personnel can be recruited by obtaining names from the heads of the concerned institute. So how they are recruited? So the required personnel can be recruited by colleges are giving the names of the listing. Okay, this is the student with this or percentage by its campus interviews. So such placements are arranged every year at various institutes, like I have given you IIM, that is Indian Institute of Management. Recently in your exam, there was a question, what is the full form of IIM? Yes or no? So one mark question was there, and many of you had lost your 1 mark. I'm using the word lost. Though you know Indian Institute of Management. But the answer starts like this, students. The full form of IIM is Indian Institute of Management. And you had just written this line, IIM dash Indian Institute of Management. So I have given zero. And board also gives you zero. There is no mark for such answers. Right. So if you are asked a 1 mark question, what is the full form of IIM? What is the full form of IIT? What is the full form of HRM? What is the full form of HRD? So the answer will start like 1 mark question. The full form of IIM is Indian Institute of Management. The full form of HRD is Human Resource Development. The full form of IIT is Indian Institute of Management. So answer will go like this. So these are the institutions. Is it clear? So we have completed 3 topics, that is through advertisement, through employment exchange agencies, and through educational institutions. It has gone down. Okay. Now next is your through trade unions. Now what are trade unions? It is not new for you. Every business firms has their unions. Every company has their unions, right? You can see on the factory workers, they are having their union that is termed as trade unions. So first one was through newspaper advertisement, then through employment exchange agencies, then through um, educational institutes, and the fourth one is trade unions. Trade unions make a list of what they do. Trade unions make a list of employees of an organization, right? Sometimes when there is less work or due to any other reason, workers are retrenched. means workers are left. Due to increase in work load, due to increase in workload, whenever the need arises for more employees, such retrenched workers can be recruited with the help of trade unions. Right? See, you can see some words are employees and some are workers. In trade unions is specifically for workers. You cannot write the word employees. It is specifically for the workers. You can see workers are retrenched, right? Workers are retrenched. So these are trade unions are for workers. Trade unions make a list of employees of an organization. Workers will come sometimes. So when there is less work or there is some reason they had retrenched, फिर उनको निकाल दिया जाता है. Due to increase, जब भी काम बढ़ जाता है, the need arises for more employees. Such retrenched workers can be recruited with the help of trade unions. Trade unions will contact them and they will come and work for you. Take example of cement industry, construction industry. So there are workers requirement every day. The same number of workers are not required for a particular work. So on the basis of requirement, they call the workers, right? And if they don't require, they will not call the workers. This often happens in textile industries, mining industries, etc. So what are the industries of trade union? Textile industries, mining industries, and etc. Is it clear? So example is to be written. Example of trade unions. Where does it happen? Textile industry and mining industry. अभी तक हमने एक example नहीं देखा. अभी हम example दे रहे हैं. Next is through contractors. So through trade unions is done. Contractors, that was I was saying about you was your in construction industries, that is through contractors. In this system, a contract is made between the business. In this system, a contract is made between the business enterprise and the contractor for the supply of workers. See, the word workers is given. You have to be careful for that. You cannot neglect this. Is it clear? Again, I am repeating. In this contract, this system, contract is made between the business enterprise and the contractor for the supply of workers, not employees. The contractor takes the responsibility of arranging workers. Right, you can see your color industry. Suppose you are having color at your house. Recently, Diwali is coming. Many of you would be having color in their house. So there are two patterns of getting the work done for coloring. Either you give contract to them, labors are also yours, and colors will be also brought by you. Everything is brought by you, and within this time, this is the price we are going to pay for you. And second system is days. You are paying per day, right? So three workers we required, so per day we will pay to you. So whatever is convenient to us, we will go select for that. Either contract. So contract अगर हम लेते हैं, तो the labors are provided by the particular contractor only, and he will see the entire task. Is it clear? The contractor takes responsibility of arranging workers. Right? The contractor is in constant contact with various types of laborers. What is various type of laborers? Because they have in contact with, suppose coloring laborers are different, mining, what we say, loading and unloading laborers are different, then cutting laborers are different, then what we say, construction of that walls and that laborers are the machines that we say are different. So they are in contact with every type of labor. As and when required, we arranges for labor at fair wages. So that is suitable to both of them. These often happens with the workers on construction industries, mining industries, example, tree plantation, etc. In this method, there is possibility of worker being exploited. Generally, unskilled laborers are supplied by this method. So, what kind of laborers are supplied by the contractors? So, one more question. unskilled laborers. What kind of unskilled? Those who are having no knowledge but they want to work through contractors. Is it clear? So first one was through advertisement, second one was through uh, employment exchange, then third one through institutions, educational institutions. Fourth one was through trade unions. Trade unions के इसमें example आएगा textile industry and mining industry. Then through contractors. Contractors में example आएगा construction industry, mining industry, and your tea plantation. And what kind of labor is available? Unskilled. So these are the points you need to mention. You cannot write anything in your, yes, you can write answer in your own words, but you will have to mention this. Okay, in this kind of contractors, we can get, this is famous in textile industry, mining industry, and plantation industry. So certain twisted words can be used, but the topic should be related to the content should be the same. Recruitment at the gate, the most simple thing. What is recruitment at the gate? When you pass through factories, you would have seen, suppose you are the localite of Utna or you are going to Utna factories, that is going to Jogni Mata Mandir side, you will see, I have seen personally, they had whiteboard, like a book size of board is had, of white color, and with the pen they write workers required, yeah, vacancies, whatever they want to write. जैसी लोकल लैंग्वेज में लिखना हो, कारीगर चाहिए गुजराती है, right? और हिंदी लिखना, English is not applicable over there. So regional language wherever the state is there, it is not compulsion, so that is given. So what is that? Recruitment at the gate, that is especially for workers, not for the employees. Now pay attention. Workers can be, see again the word workers, can be recruited by business enterprise with placing a notice at the factory gate. Workers can be recruited by business enterprise by placing a notice at the factory gate. This method is more suitable for daily wages. So recruitment at the gate is suitable for where? Daily wages, right? What is daily wage? The work that is done on the basis of the number of product or something, and they get daily wages. कि इतना करोगे 600 रुपये मिलेगा, 700 रुपये मिलेगा, and as per the requirement they do that. So that is recruitment at the gate, right? Notice at the factory gate. What they are doing? Placing notice at the factory gate, right? Modern methods. So first one was through advertisement, second one was through employment exchange agencies, third one was through educational institution, fourth one was through trade unions, fifth one was through contractor, sixth one was through recruitment at the gate, and the last one is modern method. Modern method यानी जो हम करते हैं. We are modern now, so we do that. What is that? In modern times, recruitment can be made by the use of highly usable things. खाना मिले नहीं मिले चल जाएगा, पर मोबाइल और इंटरनेट चाहिए, नहीं? So made by use of internet. Various agencies register the biodata of prospective candidates on their website, naukri.com, monster.com. These are the sites. Whenever there is a vacancy, these agencies or the business unit can use these facilities to get the required candidates. So that can be easily available. For this, all the procedures is done on online, like application, LinkedIn. Have you heard about the site? That site maintains your profile and you can find the job related to a person related to your qualification and can apply for that. So, right? So application, exams, tests are also conducted, results and appointments. So you need to write online like application, exams, results, appointments. In this method, the candidate can take maximum benefit if he is well versed with the computer and internet. Generally, this generally Generally, this method is suitable for skilled employees. What kind of employees? Skilled employees. Laborers nahi aayega. Students take care of the birds. Birds matter. Is suitable for skilled employees. And remember, all this is a 1 mark question. You cannot neglect it. So we had completed our topic related to what is your yes, external source of recruitment, right? External source of recruitment. Is it clear? So totally 7 external source of recruitment are there, right? So here I want to discuss again the same thing. Related to your paper. I had checked the paper and marks mostly will be given today. Hardly highest is 23 of 1 or 2 students. The reason of losing the marks is 1 mark question. In 1 mark question, many of you had not written the full form of definitions are not correct. Right? In 2 mark question, one question was asked was, I will check the paper, this question, I will take the question paper and at that time I'm going to discuss. I will remember the 2 mark question. What was the 2 mark question? Okay, method, scientific method, principle of scientific method, something was there. That was also not written. And one question was, national objective of something was related to management benefits the society. How does management benefit the society? It is, I had said earlier, when a statement is asked, you need to write question, section C. Management is helpful to the society, whatever the question is, in the following ways. Heading is to be written compulsory. आप क्या लिख रहे हो एग्जामिनर को कैसे पता चलेगा? नंबर लिखने से वो मार्क्स नहीं देगा. नंबरिंग भी बराबर होनी चाहिए, पॉइंट्स भी बराबर होने चाहिए. और every business is a part of society. Everyone is starting with that line only. Every business, क्योंकि हमारे पास वही चीज है ना टेक्स्ट बुक. कितने बच्चे तो ऐसे हैं, आई कैन क्लियरली से नक्कल में भी अक्कल चाहिए, तो उसके लिए उनको पता होना चाहिए ना व्हाट इज द कंटेंट ऑफ द चैप्टर. Because you are not watching the videos, how you can find out the answers? So shameful. It is so shameful to see that you are not able to write the answers correctly. You don't know the content of the chapter. When I am asking, uh, what was the question? Importance of principles of management was asked. So maximum answer was written as importance of management. Why? If I remember, importance of principles of management was the question, and it's a universal process and characteristics लिखने. मतलब आपको इतना knowledge नहीं है कि आपको importance लिखना है या characteristics लिखना है, क्योंकि आप videos देखते ही नहीं हो. मेरा loss कुछ नहीं है बच्चों, आपका loss है. और मुझसे 4 दिन पहले के वीडियो के कंटेंट को मुझे पूछा जाता, हाउ कैन आई रिमेम्बर कि मैंने 4 दिन पहले क्या बोला था. मैं क्यों उस चीज को आपको, जिस दिन हम लोग डेट टू डेट टाइम टू टाइम अपलोड कर रहे हैं, आप नहीं देख रहे तो लॉस आपका है ना, हमारा थोड़ी है. यू हैव टू से इट ना, वी आर वर्किंग फॉर यू नॉट फॉर अस. सो द चॉइस इज योर्स. टाइम इज रनिंग. डोंट थिंक कि एग्जाम्स नहीं होंगे. कई जगह पे बोर्ड के एग्जाम्स हो रहे हैं. अभी रिसेंटली कोई कॉलेज का एग्जाम हो रहा है. Students are asking, ask them to not to take exam due to pandemic. Why? Maintain social distancing. You can totally give exams. It is not necessary. You will get infected, right? So your exams will also be conducted if your corona goes or doesn't go. Make it clear. बोर्ड के एग्जाम्स को वो लोग, आप 11th में पास हो गए, वैसे आपको 12th में कोई प्रमोट एंड पास करेगा, वो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. और ना ही आपको घर पे पेपर दिए जाएंगे कि बोर्ड के पेपर को आप घर पे लिखो. तो इसलिए तैयार रहो कि हमको बोर्ड की एग्जाम देनी ही पड़ेगी और कोई चॉइस नहीं है. इज इट क्लियर? So I'm stopping over here.